very good morning. Today we are going to learn about new topic that is length, mass and volume of liquid. Okay, on the first topic we will learn about recognize length of an object. In today's lesson you will be learn about first, use and vary the vocabulary in the context of length, mass, and volume of liquid. There are three parts here that you will be learn. It is about length. The keywords for length is long or short, tall or short, high or low, and near or far. Next is about mass. Mass, the keyword is heavy or light. And lastly, part 3, you will be learn about volume of liquid. The keyword for volume of liquids are full, half, quarter, a lot, or little. On our first part of today's lesson, we will be learn about length. Recognize length of an object. Jamil and his father are making kites. They use one short bamboo and one long bamboo to build them. There are two types of bamboo that use here. The first type is short and the second type is long bamboo. The keyword for length of an object is short and long. Sarah and his brother Ikmal are playing with the kites. Sarah's kite flies high. Ikmal kites flies low. Sarah kites fly high. Meanwhile, Ikmal kites flies low. The keywords of length here is high and low. The giraffe is very tall. Meanwhile, the tortoise is very short. The keywords here is tall and short. Next question. Ling Ling lives near my house. Ling Ling lives near my house. Suraya lives far from my house. As you can see, Ling Ling's house is nearer. Meanwhile, Suraya's house is very far. The keywords for length is near and far. Let's answer this question. Okay, let's answer this question. The boy is short or tall? Very good. The boy is short. Meanwhile, the girl is very good. The girl is tall. Next question. The plane fly high. Very good. Meanwhile, the bird fly low. Very good. You're very clever. The boy is very good. The boy is near. The girl is far. The snake is very good. Excellent. The snake is long and the mouse is short. Now we will try to measure and compare the length of an object. How am I going to measure this book?
I know. You can measure the book using this paper clip.
Let us take a look.
Align the paper clip besides the book.
Oh, I see. The length of the book is equal to 4 paper clips. The length of the book is equal to 4 paper clips. Now you can answer this question. Our first question is, the length of the color pencil is equal to how many erasers? Yes, the length of the color pencil is equal to 5 erasers. Next, the length of the watch is equal to how many erasers? Excellent. The length of the watch is equal to 3 erasers. Now, try to compare the length of the pencil and the length of the watch. The length of the pencil is longer than the watch. Very good. The length of the pencil is longer than the watch. Now, try to measure the length of a pencil box. The length of the pencil box is equal to how many 20-cent coins? Yes, the length of the pencil box is equal to 6 20-cent coins. 6 20-cent coins. Next question. The length of the pencil is equal to how many 20-cent coins? Very good. The length of the pencil is equal to 4 20-cent coins. 4 20-cent coins. Now, try to compare the length of the pencil box and the length of the pencil. The length of the pencil is very good. The length of the pencil is shorter than the length of the pencil box. Now, let's try to have a short test. Compare A. The coach with which is the nearest to the locomotive. Okay, this is the locomotive. I put an arrow here. Okay, this is the locomotive. And the one that the boy and the girl is sitting in is called the coach. Okay, the first question, they ask us to state the coach which is the nearest to the locomotives is it coach A or B or C or D or E? Very good. The nearest coach to the locomotive is coach A. Next question. The coach which is the farthest from the locomotive is very good. The farthest from the locomotive is coach E. Now, let us compare which coach is the longest. To try to find the answer, you need to compare the coach one by one. Okay, let's compare coach A and coach B. Which one is much longer? Is it coach A or coach B? Yes, coach B is much longer than coach A. So coach A is wrong. Now let's compare coach B and coach C. Which one is the longest? Very good. Coach B is longer than coach C. Therefore, coach C is wrong. Now let's compare coach B and coach D. Which one is the longest? Very good. Coach B is longer than coach D. So coach D is wrong. Lastly, let us compare coach B and coach E. Which one is the longest? Very good. Coach E is the longest. The answer is coach E. Okay, next question. Which coach is the shortest? To find this answer, let us compare the coach one by one. Let us start from coach A. Try to compare it with coach B. Which one is shorter? Very good. Coach A is shorter. Therefore, this is wrong. Now, let us compare coach A with coach C. Which one is shorter? Very good. Coach C is shorter than coach A. So coach A is wrong. Now let us compare coach C and the rest of the coach. Excellent. Coach C is the shortest. Okay, now let us move on to our next question. Which of the coach is the highest? Is it coach A or B or C or D or E? Let us compare coach A and B. Which one is the highest? Very good. Coach A is higher than coach B. Now let us compare coach A and coach C. Which one is much higher? Very good. Coach A is still higher than coach C. Now let us compare coach A and D. Excellent. Coach D is now higher than coach A. Now, if you take a look, coach D and coach E, you realize that coach D is the answer. Coach D is the highest of them all. Okay, our last question. Which of the coach is the lowest? Is it coach A or B or C, D or E? Okay, now let's eliminate the highest coach first. A, C, D. This one is much higher. Now let us compare coach B and E. Oh, you realize that coach E is the same height with coach C. They have the same height with coach C. Therefore, you can see that coach C and E a wrong answer. Therefore, Coach B is the lowest of them all. We have completed all of the answer. Give your own a big clap. We have ended our lesson. Now, please open your activity book, part 2, page 45, 46, and 47, and try to complete them. That's all for today. Bye bye.